Welcome in this video of the Audit Insight section. In this video, we will see what is the impact of an audit in the company. And generally, the impact of the audit, it depends on the person and their role in the company. Therefore, we could have the shareholder and management that could be not involved at all in the audit or just for a minimal amount of time, while there are other people, especially in the accounting or accounting related department, that will be overwhelmed by the auditor. And in this video, we will see the impact of the audit from different perspectives, as time, department involved, and awareness on critical factor and learning side. Time perspective. Here, I'm sorry, but I have to acknowledge that audit generally will require a lot of effort from the staff working in a company. Of course, it does depend on the company, because there are companies that the audit will just require 2 weeks of work field, while for other company the audit is something that is going on all year round. This is because it's based on the size and the complexity of the company. And when you have an auditor that is auditing your financial statement, of course you need your support for documentation, for reply to some feedback, or fix some issue or some accounting entry that are not properly processed. And therefore, especially for the people in the accounting department, it can lead to really a lot of time invested for the audit of the company, while other department and other employee could feel a little bit less involved, and we will see in the next point. Department involved perspective. Here we have to highlight the fact that the auditor, to be able to issue an opinion over the financial statement, you need to have a clear understanding of the company as a whole. Therefore, for some understanding of the business process and some audit procedure that the auditor has to do, you need to involve other department other than the accounting department. And therefore there could be the purchase department, the sale department, the stock management department, and the HR department that could be the main other department that will be involved in the audit. Then the auditor could need some database or some information over IT, and therefore also the IT department will be involved in the office. All these departments, of course, we are saying that will be involved, but at a different extent respect the accounting department, that will be the department that will have main contact and will have to support much more the auditor itself and at the end the effort required from the other department is significantly less than the effort required from the accounting department. Awareness on critical point. There are many companies that have the proper business processes in place, the proper internal control, and are able to prepare a great financial statement without misstatement. While there are other companies that don't have the business process correctly designed or the internal control are not implemented or not effective or are not able to prepare the financial statement in compliance with the applicable financial reporting framework and law and regulation. And in such circumstances, the auditor could really provide an input, really useful input, especially for shareholder and management, to help the company improve their business processes, internal control, and accounting methodology to make sure that the financial statement and the day-to-day processes are correct and don't have any misstatement. Learning perspective. As we have just said, during its audit, the auditor is able to spot any error or improvement in the business processes, internal control, and financial statement. But then, what is more important for the entity is also the ability of the auditor to explain the reason for which is asking the company to perform some improvement or fix some error. And this ability of the auditor can be really leveraged by the shareholder, management, and employee of the company to really have like a moment of learning opportunity to fix everything that can be improved because is not correct or is not the best way to carry on the day-to-day activities. During this video, we saw some points that could be seen as negative as the time required from the person, especially those in the accounting department, but we also saw the positive impact of the audit to help the company understand the activity and processes that could be improved to mitigate the error in the financial statement. Therefore, overall, I will say that if the company is able and lucky to have a professional auditor to check its financial statement, it will result in an added value at the end of the process. Whatever decision you take after this video, just remember to focus, learn, and do it. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. To view the full video of other audit topics, request the video by mail. PDF slides are also available. Otherwise, find the video online on the most common learning platform as Udemy, Skillshare, and many more soon. For our video on Audit Insight and all video preview, visit us in YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, and subscribe for to be updated on any new content. If you prefer private classes for learning, to have a teacher completely dedicated to teach you audit topics at your own speed and answer all your questions, book our private classes that can be held online or on-site. For detail and to book your private class, contact us by mail. Audit Advisory Service help you with any project related to audit, as accounting procedure, estimate, financial adjustment, and other audit-related activities. Outsourcing of Audit Activity service gives you the opportunity to have an expert taking care of your audit work, while you can dedicate your time to more important tasks. Whatever choice you make after the video, just remember to focus, learn, and do it.